Today we're going to show you how to install the Neptune clear water filter tap. The components that will come with the unit is two pieces of 8mm pipe, a filter head, 3 speed fit joint gas fittings, a 1x3/8 joint gas fitting to 3/8 half-inch BSP, 3 angle valves which go from a half-inch to basically 3/8, and your filter. The first step to installing your Filterflow tap, please get a registered plumber to install your angle valves for you. You're going to have one cold angle valve installed by a registered plumber. Then you're going to have one hot installed by a registered plumber. After mounting your Neptune clear water tap onto your sink, connect the cold water pipe to the cold water angle valve and tighten to secure. Then connect the hot water pipe to the hot water angle valve and tighten to secure. We are now going to assemble the filter head. First, put on thread tape onto fitting supplied. Now screw in fittings into filter head. Now tighten the fittings. Mark off holes where you would like to mark filter head in cupboard. Lock in filter head into place and tighten screws to secure. When installing your filter head, make sure the arrows pointing in the right direction. So therefore, water coming into the filter from your supply needs to come in to the back side of the arrow, and water going to your tap should be going towards that direction. Connect your supply water coming from your angle valve into the left hand side of your filter on the back side of the arrow. Now you need to install your 3/8 fitting to 8mm pipe onto your connection coming from your filter tap. This is for your filter water. Tighten fitting completely. Now connect your 8mm pipe into the fitting for your filtered water going to your tap. When installing your new filter, remove sanitary cap. Push into filter head and tighten. Make sure after installing the filter to flush out at least 15 liters of water.